محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. Number 4. Before this we said, if one of the heirs left his share to the others by taking something from them to the proportion of their share, now they will distribute the estate to the proportion of their shares. As we mentioned, that Zainab passed away and she left behind her husband, a son and a daughter. Now the actual case was that the husband will take 1/4 and the remaining,
Yes.
and the remaining would be distributed to son and daughter
2-1.
as 2-1. So the case will be from 4. 1 out of 4, it will go to the husband.
Yes.
2 will go to the son and 1 will go
To the daughter.
to the daughter. To husband will go as a sharer, but to son and daughter as residue. But now the son and daughter, they send it to the husband of their mother. Maybe he is their own father or another husband of their mother. Got it?
Yes.
So they send it to the husband of their mother that we will give you that much money. Yes?
Yes.
And they gave it 2-1. Mean 2 portion of that money by the son and 1 portion
By the daughter.
by the daughter. So now the estate would be distributed to them as 2-1.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
We will make 3 shares of that. 2 shares will go to the son and 1 will go
To the daughter.
to the daughter. Now in the aforesaid case, if they gave that money 50-50, then they will share the share of the husband as 50-50, because that's just like their purchase. It's just like what?
Purchase.
Their purchase. So they will get the share to the extent of their purchase.
Yes.
How much they have paid. Got it?
Yes.
Number 5. If the heirs gave one of them something from the estate to be quotient, now the remaining heirs will distribute the remaining estate to the proportion of their shares. Like Zaid passed away. And he left behind his wife, and 5 sons, 4 sons, 4 sons. I'll go 5. 5 is okay. So now the actual case will be from 8. Here, how much remain?
7.
7. But how many are sons?
5.
5. What is the relation between 5 and 7?
30.
Tabayun.
Yeah.
What?
Tabayun.
Tabayun. So all the number would be multiplied with. Got it?
Yes.
So they will take
7.
like this. But one son He asked all these other heirs that give me that Kalashnikov, Baba. So I am not going to take any share in the property. Got it? So now he is considered as a no share, no heir. He is considered as a no heir. So now so the shares will be how much? When he is not, so then we will multiply it with 4. Got it?
Yes.
So here, how much they will take?
30.
7. 28. How much? 28. وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين.